Hey everyone, this is Sunglass Rob with SportRx. I'm here with my friend Todd Woods, professional angler and Costa sponsored ambassador. We're here in beautiful El Capitan Reservoir. It's been a nice day out today.
Beautiful.
And we're here to talk about what a spinning reel is. Todd, take it away, sir.
Well, this is a spinning reel. This one is, a spinning reel is probably the easiest reel to use. It's used for casting small baits, or you can use them in a larger version of this reel for using in the ocean, for using big baits, like in the surf, for making really long casts. And basically, the reason why it's a spinning reel, it has an open face, like an open face spool. And so when you open the bail, which is what this is called, the bail, it releases the line, and thus you're able to make a cast with the bait. So it's really easy to use. It's really easy to cast. It has a what's called a drag system, which is what this is on the top. And if you turn this, if you catch a big fish, you don't want it to be too tight. You turn it counterclockwise, and it makes it you know, less tension. Turn it clockwise, and it's harder to pull. And it's easy to use because you just use your finger, like so, and then you open the bail, and then you go to cast it. And when you go to cast it, you release it with your finger.
So your finger becomes the lock for a second.
Yep.
Okay.
And then the bait takes off. And most spinning reels can be used to reel in left-handed, which most right-handers actually reel the spinning reel left-handed.
Okay.
And then if you're uncomfortable with reeling in that way, most reels you can switch them over. You can loosen this, and then you can switch it over to the other side and reel it with your right.
Okay, cool.
And so what's other nice about with a spinning reel is you want to use light line, like 2 pound test up to about 10 or 12 pound test, depending on the size of the reel. Okay. And so that's basically what a spinning reel is.
Wow, cool. Well, we hope that video was helpful. If you have any more questions, leave it down in the comment section. We'll get back to you. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you later.